The first step is to open your Canva design, and click Text in the side menu. Scroll, and click to choose a text effect. Or you could type in your own text by using the Add a Text Box feature. While the text is still selected from being input, with your mouse, click and drag the text boxes, then drop them where you want to place them in your design. Select the text you want to make more transparent. Click the three dots in the menu bar to open more options. Click Transparency. Type a new amount of transparency, and press Enter. In this example, you have just applied a 75% transparency to that text. There's another way to change the transparency text. Select some more text. Click the three dots in the menu bar to open more options. Click Transparency. With your mouse, click and drag the slider bar for transparency, then drop it on the spot where you want the new transparency level. You can see that moving the slider bar also changes the numerical transparency. You can now see the photo behind the text better because you changed the text transparency. That's it, you're done.